Hello my friend, today I'm gonna show you an amazing trick that I always use in my work. It's copying and paste different effects from effect controls to another clips. It saves me so much time. Let's go! So we are in Premiere Pro. I already prepared a few different clips. They have different length. It's just random shots that I made on my phone. And right now I will show you how to super easy copy and paste different effects from one clip to another. So let's say, for example, that we want to make that card effect. So we want to put white frame behind the video, and let's create color matte, make it white, call it white as well, and put it under the video. So to have that effect, we just need to scale down a bit the video, and now we have it. And what we need right now is to make exactly the same scale to other videos. So basically old school method to do it is just copy the scale from here, go on another video, paste the scale, and do the same thing with each single video. But it's not the easiest way. So let's extend the white background. And what we need to copy scale settings to another clips is just select the clip for copying effects, press Ctrl C, and then we select the clips where we want to paste it and press Ctrl Alt V. So right now we have a window where we can choose what exactly we want to copy. In our case, we want to copy scale, and scale is a motion, so let's press OK. And now all our clips have the same scale. So let's press Ctrl Z just to see how it was before, and now Ctrl Shift Z, and it's back. So as you see, here we have options: motion, opacity, time remapping. So as you see is here motion. So it's all about the positioning, scale, anchor point, and rotation. Opacity, it's all about opacity. And time remapping, it's like the speed of the video. As you saw, we have in that window as well scale attribute times. What does it mean? Let's say we want to make effect where the video will start from appearing out of nowhere. So we make a keyframes, we put, so it goes from 0, it appears, and let's make the same at the end. So at the end it would disappear. By the way, if you hold Alt and press left mouse button, hold it and move, it will copy the keyframe. Let's delete it. So right now we have that effect. So it appears, and at the end it disappears. And for example, okay, let's try to copy and paste it here. So I will choose time remapping, opacity, sorry. Okay. And what we see right now, so what we want every single clip appears out of nowhere and at the end disappears. What happens with that clip? It appears and then just another clip. Let's try to put it everywhere, the same effect. So what we see, it appears out of nowhere, it appears out of nowhere, it again appears out of nowhere, and it disappears even before it finished. What happens? Let me undo it. And let me undo effect from here. Yep. What Premiere trying to do? He see that we make that effect on, for example, first 19 frames. It appears out of nowhere. And the last, like 10, 15 frames, it disappear. And the length of our video is 4 seconds and 26 frames. So what Premiere trying to do is to put on the first 15 frames appearing, then as on that clip 4 seconds nothing going on, and at the end it starts to disappear. And when in Premiere apply an effect here, let's apply it. First 20 frames it appears, then 4 seconds nothing happens with opacity, but as you see, clip not that long, it's just 2 seconds. Let's undo that. So what we have to do, we copy the effect from here, we select the clips where we want to paste it, press Ctrl Alt V, and we leave check mark on scale attribute times. Okay, so when we leave the check mark, it applies effects proportionally to the length of the video, so it's more on the persons. So for example, first 5% of the length of the video is appearing, and the last 5% is disappear. So, and it apply not matter which length of the video, it apply on the percentages. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So you could do it not only with all those 3 categories. You as well could, for example, let's put tint. Let's make it black and white. Let's put some maybe Gaussian blur. So yeah, and now we could just press Ctrl C, select clips, Ctrl Alt V, and here we can choose what we want to copy. Press OK. And now you see every clip blurred and every clip have black and white effect. So if we want to remove effects from a lot of clips at one moment, we need to select clips. For example, we don't like that blur and black and white. So what we can do, we just select clips, press edit, and remove attributes. And we choose what to remove. For example, we want to remove only those 2 effects. Okay. And now back. So it's an amazing trick. I always use on it and it's super helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.